We all know that looking at different time frames in trading can give us better confidence and a better chance of winning our trades. Understanding what the market is doing from both a macro zoomed out perspective and a micro zoomed in perspective can help us form a perfect bias going into a trade. The problem is switching between these time frames can create friction, and it can be unclear when the data isn't on the same chart. We also lack deeper data on the higher time frame to create precise entries, losing us a ton of money. So that's why we at Chart Prime created the HTF candle profile. Once loaded on your chart, you'll immediately notice on the right side a candle. This is from the time frame selected in your settings. For example, if I am on the 4-hour chart, I select W in the settings, it will bring up the weekly candle. Make sure this selected time frame is higher than the time frame you're currently on. The candle on the right represents this macro candle. We then break this candle down into its respective volume as a profile. This gives precise volume readings, so we know exactly where support or resistance may lie. Here, for example, we have a bullish candle on the weekly time frame, and we see within this candle there is a spike of activity and our POC here. This therefore is a key support. We can set our entries here, and as we see, when the price comes down, we bounce off this zone immediately and powerfully. What we've done is we've taken a higher time frame candle and broken it down for sharper, more powerful analysis. We can then set our take profits at the higher time frame candle close, which is a logical and perfect take profit zone. This is where buyers previously stalled in the market. We can also look at the open of the candle and use it as a support. This is also a major point of interest. In this bearish example, we see a red macro candle with a bunch of bearish activity here. We see via our profile the POC is located here. This therefore is a perfect place to set a new entry and a short position. The price then is attracted towards this and continues downwards, making us a ton of gains. Next week, we are launching a brand new platform, the first of its kind that will change the world of trading. For anyone that trades both cryptos and stocks, this is a game changer and a totally new, unseen ecosystem. Keep an eye out for any notifications, as we will have special perks for all of you that turn on notifications this month. But back to our indicator here. For traders that prefer to analyze a long-term period, the min period profile, this can be increased. And for traders that prefer to analyze shorter-term price action, this can be decreased. Using multiple timeframes to confluence and to pinpoint entries and exits can be an amazing way to trade. So if you want to use this indicator 100% free, search for HTF candle profile and use this one by Chart Prime. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord.